Ever found yourself in a bind, searching for a trustworthy cargo service from China to Pakistan? In our globalized era, having a reliable partner for your shipping needs is paramount for both businesses and individuals. The struggle ends here. Welcome to your solution. Introducing our unique door-to-door express cargo service, a game changer in the world of logistics. We've crafted a service that is molded around your needs, offering unparalleled convenience. Imagine your cargo picked up directly from your doorstep in China and delivered to any location in Pakistan. It's logistics made simple. Our special offers extend across all transport modes, air, sea, and road. We've negotiated the best rates to ensure your cargo reaches its destination quickly and cost-effectively. But it's not just about speed and cost, it's about reliability. With our service, you can rest easy knowing that your cargo is in safe hands, from the moment it leaves your door until it reaches its final destination. We've redefined efficiency and reliability in logistics, offering a service that's not just about transporting goods, but about delivering peace of mind. No more uncertainties, no more delays. We guarantee a service that exceeds expectations. You've heard about our standout features, and you understand our commitment to excellence. Our door-to-door express cargo service from China to Pakistan, by air, sea, or road, is truly unique. It's an offer you can't afford to miss. Don't wait. Elevate your logistics experience today. Contact us now and watch your business reach new heights.